Welcome guys, thank you for watching this video, but before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it to all of your friends, and also check out the description for further information guys. And now, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and today we will work on this One Piece game right here, and we will hopefully finish this character editor. Okay, so without losing any much more time, so let's just get right into this. So our plans for today is first of all to add all of these color options to all of these aspects right here, and then if we still have enough time left, then we'll add another aspect called faces. And yeah, so that's everything for today. Okay, so we'll start off with these color options right here. So what do we have to do in order to create them? Let's go inside of the server script, because there's something interesting which helps us when it comes to colors, etc. So you probably remember this body color value, and the fact that we need a value which stores the color leads us to the conclusion that we also need some more values for all of these other aspects right here. So we, for example, need another color value for the hair, aka hair color, accessory color, shirt color, pants color, etc. So let's create them first of all. So local hair color instance.new string value. So it is of course identical to this one, just different names, okay, but in the end they all do the same, so they all are supposed to store the name of the color which has been selected and which is supposed to be loaded afterwards. Okay, so hair color, of course, a string value, so the first argument is the instance which is supposed to be created, so we enter the class name of the instance, in our case a string value. The second argument is the parent, aka to or where it is being created into, so our folder, our data folder. Now the next thing is the name, hair color name. Let's call this one hair color dot value. Let's say black, just as the default color. Okay, so that's it with the hair color. We can now just easily copy and paste this thing, so that's what I usually would do. So we need 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 more, 2, 3. So the first one right here is for the accessory. So the accessory color, let me copy and paste everything. Let me call this one accessory color, and this of course represents the accessories color, while this one represents the hair color, and while these ones are going to represent the shirt and the pants color. Come on, okay. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I need to take a look at things right here. Yeah, so let's start off with the hair. So we have not created this GUI right here, but let's still try to implement the code which is supposed to, or which is responsible to change the color at the end. So where was it? Yeah, so the body color is changed right here. So if you take a close look, what we have done here is we have just made use of this brick color property right here, and we have just changed, okay, and the same method. So we're going to use the same method on the rest, okay? So we are going to change the hair's brick color as well in order to apply the color change. So data hair value equals value, okay? So now we can also say, so in between those two right here, we could also say X, so X is our hair. No, wait. X handle brick color. So X is not the hair itself. Well, It is, but it is only this accessory instance right here, and this one does not carry the brick color property. Therefore, we need to refer to its handle, and believe me, every part has to be named handle. Therefore, we can just easily refer to it. And these ones are usually parts or mesh parts which contain this brick color property right here. So, x handle brick color equals brick color.new, and now we need to refer to our hair color value, which was inside of our data folder. Therefore, data hair color value. There we go. All right, we can now just copy this one, and since the accessory is pretty similar to the hair, so we only have an accessory. So by accessory I mean this instance. So we only have this instance right here, this instance accessory, which is just being cloned into the dummy. So since both methods are the same on adding the hair and the accessory, because they only consist of those accessory instances. So since they have that in common, we can just apply the same method with the slight difference that we do not refer to the hair color right here, but we refer to the accessory color. Okay. Now, regarding those shirts. So this one, well, I would say not much more difficult, but it is a little bit different. Okay, so the difference to these things right here is that our shirt consists of multiple parts. Therefore, we need to do, so let's paste this one. Instead of X, we refer to V because V is one of the shirt's body parts. So remember, it is looping through a folder and gets to every body part of that shirt. And we basically just set the body color of that shirt part, the brick color of the shirt part, and yeah, so that's actually it. So there's nothing much more into that. The same case for the pants. Yes, instead of shirt color, pants color, etc. That's actually it. So we can now maybe paste this down here. Well, where is it? Yeah, inside of this loading mechanism, because it is missing right here. Yeah. Not data, but where is it? Okay, what is this supposed to be? Shirt, okay. Shirt color. Now, pants color. Okay, and up here. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now the colors should load. And now we need to work on the color selection option. So we need to wait. Oh, yeah, of course. So yeah, we need to refer to the handle and not to the accessory as an instance. So that's a huge difference. And there we go. So now everything is in, black, all black, as you can see. And yeah, So now let's move on with the GUIs. Body frame, color frame, text label. Okay, so let's copy these two, and let's, where is it? Hair frame. Okay. Visible. Okay. No, not accessories frame. Come on. Okay, there we go. So this is our color frame. And now we can go inside of this local script right here. Instead of body color change, we can just replace this one with hair color change. Okay, now let's get back inside of the server script. And up here, where it says body color change. Okay. So we can just simply do else if task is to, hair color change. Then we are going to change the hair color. And yeah, wait. Okay. Yeah, so data. Okay, so if the task is to change the hair color, then we of course want to change our hair color value. So let's do that. Data, hair color value, value. Now the second thing is to change our hair's color. Okay, so not the value, but the hair. So the hair which is on top of the dummy's head. And to do that, we need to refer to the hair accessory which is inside of the dummy. And xname. Okay, yeah, perfect. So we can just easily check if the dummy has an instance or has a child called hair, because every time when we clone a hair inside, we name the hair, okay? And we can just simply check for that one. So if it is inside of the dummy, then we want to change its color. Break color new, value. There we go. So that's about the hair color. Now the next one is the accessory. Okay, hair color. So let's change this to accessory color change. And accessory color. Yeah, let's check if... Okay, so we are renaming this to accessory as well. So pretty much the same as up here, but with the difference that we check for something called accessory. And if it exists, then yeah, we are changing its brick color. Okay, so that's to hair and accessory color. Now to, the clothes, so to the shirts and pants. Okay. Well, that's not that difficult either. So I'm gonna paste this one right here. Hair color change thing. I'm gonna call this one shirt color change now. We are basically just going to do the same. So we are of course changing the value again. And now we are going to check for something called shirt, okay? And if it exists, then we want to loop through it, because that thing called shirt is going to be a folder, because we have made sure that it is so by doing this up here, or by doing the loading thing down here. And yeah, so we already have ensured that this thing is going to be a folder. Therefore, we can just loop through it. So dummy find first child shirt. So get children. So we are basically getting everything inside of that folder, and we now can loop through it. And since every component of that folder is a part of the shirt, which form the shirt at the end, so every parts in total form the shirt at the end, and every single part, or this folder only contains the parts of the shirts, okay, so nothing else. Therefore we can just say brick color, so the brick color of that body, yeah, not body part, but of the shirt part, equals brick color.new data shirt, no, yeah, just value, because value is pretty much the same as shirt color value. Okay, and that's it. And we can now do the same thing for the pants. Pants color change, and pants. So we are checking if something called pants is inside of our character. If so, we are looping through it, and we are just setting the colors. Okay, that's it. Now let me clone this one inside of every other frame as well. So I'm gonna make this invisible. I'm gonna set this to 1. Okay, here, accessories frame. So I'm gonna put this to 1.5. Just copy it inside, and that's it. Now, third frame, scrolling frame, 1.5. Paste it inside, and 1.5, paste it inside, and there we go. And that's actually it. So we should be done with the colors now, if everything works as expected. Okay, brick color's not even. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay, yeah. Just a little mistake, so we need to refer to the handle part inside of the accessory, not to the accessory itself. Same goes for this accessory aspect right here. Okay. A pretty small mistake, and there we go. So we are able to change that color. Okay. Accessory. Okay. It for some reason changes the hair color. Oh, because okay. Inside of this color frame, we have totally forgot to change this as well. So that's pretty important. Go inside of the local script and change to whatever it is. So accessory color change, since this is for the accessories. Hair is already done. Now pants, so pants color change. And shirt. So the shirt color change. Okay, and now this should work fine. Okay, accessories. Yeah, there we go. Now shirt. Okay, pants. Body color. Body. Oh yeah, I have not defined it, and I have not defined the frame inside of the table. That's why. Okay, so the color selection does work. Let me define this body frame inside of the script right here. Body frame, yeah. Body frame, there we go. Okay, that's it with the color selection. Now the last thing I would like to deal with is the face aspect. So let's do that as well. Let me change the size to, okay, probably a bit too much. 0.6. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna clone this accessories button right here. I'm gonna call this one face. Face, there we go. I'm gonna set the position right here. 1.1. 3. No. No. 1. No. Wait, here. Okay. What is the next thing? Bird. 4. Wait. Pants, was that? Okay. And body is supposed to be at 65. Okay. Now one more button. And this one is going to be the finish button. Yeah. Fincy, okay, instead of finish. Pretty cool. Yeah guys, so excuse me. It is almost night here and I have school tomorrow and many exams. And I'm just hustling this video out for you, so you guys have something to watch, you know, something to learn about. So excuse if my tone is a little bit more boring, but I'm just pretty tired, you know. Finish, there we go. So this is our finish button. I'm gonna separate this one from the rest. So let's put it at, yeah, let's put it right here. Okay, that's actually good. Now, let me clone this hair frame. Let me call this one face frame. And I'm gonna delete the color frame and this color tile right away. And I'm gonna revert the size of the scrolling frame. Also, I'm gonna implement this one inside of here. Face frame, there we go. Okay. We can get rid of these ones. Oh, wait, these ones were viewport frames. Yeah. Okay, so we can get rid of those. Wait, never mind. We still need one of those. Okay, image button. Default. So I just need to copy the size. Oh, never mind, since we have a UI grid layout. Okay, so default. So I'm not gonna move this. Oh, come on. Never mind. I'm just gonna move it outside so we can clearly see what we are doing. Okay, so this is the default face right here. Head face. So just the default face right here. Okay, there we go. Wait. There was this. Yeah, there we go. Head, ear, and face. Yeah. So these ones were about the camera, if you can remember. So the camera movement, you know. So watch my first episodes in order to learn about this script right here. Okay, so we have got this default face right here. So what kind of faces could we possibly get? Let's see. Decals. So I'm just gonna grab some out of this out of this toolbox right here. Create a part. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna call it the evil face. Also, shoutouts to the people who have uploaded. Yeah, Amira, shoutouts to you. Yeah, cool faces. I'm amazed. Okay, so we have this shiny teeth face right here. I'm just gonna call it cool face. I'm gonna call it cool. I hope that it is transparent. Yeah, very good. Is this one transparent? Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, so they obviously are. Okay. Guess I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna call it the devil face. I'm just gonna stick to those ones just for the beginning. So if you want to add more faces, then yeah, just feel free, go ahead. So just duplicate these ones, give them names, and enter their IDs inside of this image field right here. So you have seen how I've done it. You can just do the same. Okay, and now, so how do we turn these faces onto our dummy? So how is this supposed to work? Okay, in order to do that, let's scroll all the way down to here. So where basically our character is being loaded. We can now just, so we need to differentiate in 2 stages. Okay, so the first stage is this one. Okay, so the default one. We have those 2 decals inside of our dummy's head, okay, and inside of our default character as well. And the first question is why 2? So I'm honest, I don't know. Why did Roblox add 2 decals? I don't know, but we need to delete them, or at least one of those. So if workspace dummy add find first child face, then we are deleting it. So destroy. Oh, and also we need to add one more value right here called face, and this one is another string value because we need to store the face's name instead of a string. Sounds logical, I think. Yeah, folder face name face, and the default value is the default face, of course. Okay, face destroy. So we have just destroyed one of those faces, and now let's refer to the other one by simply just referring to the face. Now we can refer to the text. Oh, okay, it's called texture. And now, yeah. And now we need the ID. So how do we get the ID? Oh, wait. There is another way. Wait. So instead of having this right here, we could just... Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna explain to you guys. So how about we just store the IDs? You know? So that's a far better idea. So we just store the IDs, and just by referring to them, we already have the IDs. So my former plan was to set up a table which defines each name of a face to an ID. But how about we just store the ID from the beginning, and just referring to the value is enough in order to receive the ID. Face value. Okay, so this default face will hardly work out. Yeah. Default face, so we actually need an ID for that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, now right here in this script, if there's a viewport frame, okay, so we need to delete this. So if the thing, or if one of those components is an image button, then you can click on it. Clicking on it results in a file server, which has the task change face and which transmits this image here. BF image. And now up here, you can just check for that. So else if task is to change the face, then if dummy, so we are looking for the face, so for the decal. So if this decal exists, then we want to proceed by texture, by setting the face to whatever face has been clicked right here, and then we want to store the face. So data face value. That's it. So let's hope that this works. Okay. BTN is not a... Yeah, okay. All right. Okay. Accessory. All right. So let me equip this face right here and hit stop. Now let me get back. And as you can see, it did work out. Thank God. Yeah. All right. Now, our character editor is basically done. Thank you for watching. But I still want to, enhance this whole thing a little. By enhancing, I mean, I do not want to add something new or change something. Well, enhance is pretty misleading. I just wanted to add another place right here and just show you how to transfer all of your clothes, how to load your character in the other place, so how that is supposed to work out. So many of you have been asking that question, and I cannot understand why, because it is not that difficult, and there's, well, you barely have to change anything, but let's just do it. So I'm gonna publish this one right here, and I'm gonna add a new place, and let's call this one world, and I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna show you how to yeah, make your clothing, make your character transfer to the other place. Okay, yeah. My Roblox studio has just closed. It is being updated. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty cool. Good job as always. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video at this point and come back once this thing is done. Alright, yeah, so here we go. I have forgot that, yeah, we had another place right here called main world or main place, but I've just deleted it, so I forgot that we had that one. Okay, so how do you transfer those things? Okay, so first of all, go to starter player and disable this load character appearance option. And yeah, so I have to reopen this character editor thing right here because we are basically just going to clone some scripts from the character editor inside of our game. Yeah, so let me screen share. There we go. So I'm gonna copy this server script right here, and well, all of those. We can basically copy all of those, and now let's switch back. I'm gonna paste it right here, okay? And now you can actually get rid of this remote event right here and get rid of this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So this should work now. Okay, dummy. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, quick reminder. We now need to change workspace.dummy to our character. So, player character, edit. Call this one C. Now, you gotta replace every workspace dummy with character. Okay, and our character is C. So player character edit connect. So this event fires once the character has been added, or once the character has respawned. And this first argument C right here is the character. And now we are just going to replace every workspace dummy with our character, aka with C. Okay, let's do that. There we go. Okay, now let's check this out. And okay, where exactly? It is like not even showing, or it hasn't even underlined anything. Yeah, cool. Pretty cool. How am I supposed to find out? Look, so how am I supposed to find out? There's nothing underlined, you know? Oh, yeah, we forgot to yeah, delete those comment marks, I'd say. Okay, so nothing's been cloned. Yeah, okay. Okay, then let's use another method. Okay, so let's create a function called load, and I'm gonna add C as a parameter inside, and I'm just gonna clone all of these and copy it inside of here. Race value, pants, shirts. Okay, so we are gonna cover that up as well. Hair, face, hair color, accessory color, shirt color, pants color, body color, and that should be it. Oh yeah, race and race, accessory. Okay, I think that body isn't even a thing. Yeah, there we go. Now down here we can remove all of these lines and we can just call this function load C here, no, here color. Oh, face, I forgot face, hair color, accessory color, bird, shirt color, pants color, body color, and race. Okay, and so we load, so this function is basically responsible for loading the character, and we load the character once the player respawns, and we also load the character before, so when the player spawns for the first time, because attempt to index no without that. Oh yeah, because C, yeah, okay. Wait, what is this supposed to be? Okay, yeah, so we need to add the player, and let's do that by just referring to the player through the character's name. Okay. Instead of having C, let's have player name. Alright. So we are referring to the character through the workspace. Okay, let's see if this works. Face is not a valid member of... Yeah, there we go. Okay, there's nothing inside. Okay, let me remove this line. Maybe that's a problem. There we go. Okay, our character does load, as you can see. So let's get rid of this line. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So as you've seen, you just need to clone this, the server script inside, change it a little, change it the way I have changed, and I'm gonna leave this whole place as a uncopylocked place inside of my description, guys. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, and yeah, turn on the notification bell, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.